on, guys? Welcome back. Hey, today we are gonna head to this car show. It's probably about 30 minutes away. So we're gonna go and hang out there. Of course, we're gonna take Blue Ash today, and I tell you what, I spent all day yesterday cleaning her up. And I tell you, man, she is just one good looking vehicle, you know. I tell you, one good looking vehicle, man. I got old Bullseye there underneath the tarp. Bullseye's like, take me, take me. So here we go. And here's Blue Ash. So we're gonna take her to the car show. I just have to go and take her and get her clean. Gotta get a vacuum. I didn't do the vacuum yesterday. We're gonna take her, go get her vacuumed up. Look at those tires shine. Woo-wee. Alright guys, I'm gonna take her to get a vacuumed up and stuff, and we'll turn you guys back on once we get down to the car show. Alright guys, so we are in Blue Ash, man. We're heading up to this car show. Towards Abilene. I'm sorry, I got my directions all messed up. I said towards Abilene. We're heading towards Kingsport, guys. And I've kicked you guys on this highway once before. But Blue Ash, man, she's running good, man. She's running really good. Alright guys, so we just got out here at the little car drive-in and the little car show here. We've still got people coming in, guys, left and right. So I'm gonna go ahead and do a quick little walk around and stuff, and it seems like it's gonna be a really good turnout. Right now we're at this at the Outdoorsman here, as you can see. See here, this is where it's at. Let's see if I can take a little. That's where we're at, guys. We're at the Outdoorsman here. Get a little view of all the vehicles and stuff, man. This is where you're driving in at there. Everybody's shining them up. There's a lot of Fords right up in there. I guess that's a Shelby Mustang car club, maybe. Hey, so we're going to actually, let me go ahead and zoom back up. Hey, we're going to try to go ahead and get some good footage because before they start playing all this music and stuff, and like I said, I do not have copyright to it, so we're going to try to get some good footage of some stuff before they actually start blasting, all right? So let's go ahead and walk around. You guys want to go see the Fords first? Or what, you guys want to go ahead and get those out the way? We can go ahead and look at a few of them. They got that. Numbers 5.0 2019 GT. I tell you what, boy, it's tight up in there, ain't it? This is a Taylor Page Ford Mustang 2019. Look at it, like a little charcoal gray paint job on it. So that right there got that green belt on it. Means it got close to 1,000 horsepower, if I'm not mistaken. Got that green that top there. That's pretty cool there. I got that. Got that carbon fiber on it, guys. Got that green pulley on there, don't it? Oh yeah. She's rolling down the road, guys. Y'all guys know what that means, that green pulley there. You know what that means. You know what that means. Let me see here. Yeah, it's pulling some horsepower, guys. Got that carbon fiber inside. All that carbon fiber there. And this, I'll tell you what, I like that. The carbon fiber there. Everything carbon fiber. Even got the carbon fiber up here. Those wheels are tight. Got the big brakes on it. All right, man. There's another one. Let's go ahead. How y'all doing, man? 4.6 Mustang GT. I like that color. Y'all doing all right there?
The doors open regular, 30 inches, and then you can raise them up.
Oh man, look at that! Look at that! That's so cool. You got a cool little shoe. Oh, wow. That's pretty good there. Look at that! He popped that door open there. I like that, man. That's sweet. Look at it there. Did you do this modification?
It was all done when I got it.
Really?
Yeah, I bought from a Marine that was going to be deployed.
Oh man, that's pretty cool.
I have to ship to California and store it for a year. He said, I'll make you a deal on it. He did.
Wow. I bet you's hating he got rid of this baby now. That's a cool modification. He said it was from the Marine. All right. See these amps back there. Put some kicks here. I like that. Amps. Tell you what, that got some tasteful touches there, man. All right, Don Groundstaff, guys. That's his name. That's pretty cool, man. That's all the information right there. I like that. All right, guys. So far, man, I just got through doing all of the Shelbys and the Fords and stuff, guys. So we're gonna walk around and see what else we got. That's just 1/3 of the cars that's out here. So it's been a lot of people pulling up and stuff. So we're gonna go over here and see some of these. Hey, lady. Hey, that they have. I don't think I've ever seen. No, this is a new one here. So Pam's Rose. Ain't this something? Look at this. Hey, how y'all doing?
Chevrolet engines and driveline.
We're in the shade, so it's gonna be a lot of shadowing over here, guys. I tell you what, that's cool though. Looks like it got like velvet inside. Got a sunroof up there. You got wood trim. The wood trim in there.
Well, it's got some stuff.
I tell you what, that's nice, man. I like the. Looks like it got original gauges up there, guys. That's cool, man. That's so cool. Hey, how you doing?
How's it going?
Doing good. You doing all right?
Oh, we're doing great.
Is this yours?
Yes, sir.
Is this Miss Pam?
Yes, sir.
Hi, how you doing? This is awesome, man. This is beautiful.
Thank you.
Yeah, he put it on our Pam's rolls because it looks like a roll.
It looks so much like a roll.
It's not a roll.
And when I got up close, I saw what it was.
We brought this and we brought the Shelby next.
It's also the Shelby yours too, huh? Well, I tell you what, I think I like Shelby's and stuff, but this one here is a looker here, man.
She's something, man.
Yeah, she is.
69 GT
Well,
running gear.
Well, you know, no matter what the sign says, the tag says, if you know what this emblem is, you already knew what it was.
He done that for me too. Everybody thinks it's a Rolls Royce.
Yeah,
it's not. It's a Jaguar.
But it's slick, it's elegant, you know. That's for
And
sure.
he put it on there as a joke.
Yeah. Oh yeah.
It's mine, so it don't matter.
Well, nice to meet you, Pam.
Nice to meet you.
Hey, let me get you one of our flashlight pens.
Yeah, we've got a business.
All right, guys, let's keep it going. Is it fine? Is it really fine? No, man. man. I'm living a dream every day.
Oh, I'm going all right.
Thank you.
Just slow.
Sorry. Here you go, buddy. Right there.
I'll check it out.
Yeah, thanks, buddy.
More down fast.
Got some pinstriping done to it. I like that. I think those are dolphin gauges, if I'm not mistaken. Got that interior. It's almost like a cloth material. You don't see the cloth material too much. Even the bows and everything is wrapped in it. That's different. I do like that column there. Man, it feels so good to be able to take nice videos and stuff and not have to tend with all this copyright music and stuff. So it's good. I like this. Today is awesome, man. That way we can see, and I think that's an LT motor in there. Go over here. I gotta go get some cars. So we got people still coming up in here and stuff. Let's check this guy here. What do you got? Got FS coming up in here. Hey now. That big FS looks good. Sounds good too. We are back up here. This is an Impala. I never seen this. This is a new vehicle here. Actually, there's a lot of new vehicles up in here. This is the first time I've seen this Apollo here. He got a Vortec motor in there, or Corvette motors. So like a lot of people take the truck motors and they take the intake off here and they put the Corvette style intake on it and they just call it a Corvette motor. But I do think that's a Corvette motor. He actually got AC in there. Nice Impala there. This one. Got those cut-off pipes there. I'm gonna break script a little bit. Look like you got like a. Now this is a convertible. This top goes out there, and then you got the back here. I like that there. Look, you got a. We do a little quick walk around on that one there. That's my buddies on here. What do you think? All right, guys, we're about to go down here and check out the old Chevrolet. That's my old buddy, Burrow. What's going on, boss?
He's waiting me on up, or I was looking for a place to park.
Yeah, oh, he'll tell you, yeah. I think it's parking space right in the back of mine, too.
Okay.
You doing all right, Burrow? You doing all right? Get that taxi right there. Right. Let's go over here, guys. So we've seen all those over here. So look at this one here, man. They're coming in still. They're coming in. Look at it. They're coming in. SS 396. How you doing? Yeah. So we stopped off here, guys. So we stopped off here. So let's check it out here.
All right. Yeah.
Hey, look at this one here, guys. See, he actually had one of those covers built like I got on mine and stuff.
Good to see you.
That's cool. How you doing, sir?
Good, man. How about you?
Doing great. Now that dash, that's not the. Wow, that fit perfect. Now, did you have to cut it in half, anything?
Yeah.
Wow, to make it fit?
Yes.
That's awesome, man. Look at that there, guys. He actually cut that 55 Chevrolet dash and have to put it in here. So. Yeah, man, this is something here. Got the exhaust coming out the side.
Don't worry about it. Thank you, like I said.
You local or?
Yeah, I'm in Bristol.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
Chevrolet?
Yeah, Chevrolet. I mean, it's like a just coupe or
Cabriolet.
Chevrolet. Okay, okay, that's what I was.
Convertible.
Yeah, convertible. That's what.
37 Ford headlights in it. That 55 Chevrolet dash.
I tell you what, I like those teardrop headlights though.
Yeah.
That's awesome. You did a good job with this one here, man. Awesome. That's for sure. We're just gonna do a quick walk around one more time. All right, guys, what did you guys think about that here, man? Oh, Jim Cunningham with the 1937 Coupe Cabriolet, and I hope you guys enjoyed that video. I tell you what, thanks a lot, Jim. Appreciate you. Yeah, they really put that together well, man. Look at that. They really did a good job with that. So that's another good, nice video, guys. I tell you what, I hope you guys enjoyed these videos and stuff. People put a lot of work into these cars, man. You can tell they put a lot of work and time into these cars and stuff. So I just hope you guys enjoying these videos as much as I am and stuff. You know, because everywhere you go, man, there's going to be people with cars, but there's not one car that's going to be the same. Now, unless the person that's building the vehicle is meant for it to be that way, you know. So I just appreciate you guys hanging out with me. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to this video, guys. And if you got a fast car or a truck, smoke them if you got them, guys. Cigar Man is out, and I'll catch you guys on the next video.